the flood control scandal, walang nangyayari. I mean, no big fish yet in jail. It seems stuck, despite what the president has said for 2 SONAs now.
Well,
Anong ginagawa ninyo?
well, put it this way, Ses, we are not, we are
Not
appreciative.
that you're to blame,
yeah.
but I mean, where is the rage?
We are appreciative that itong flood control ay inopen up ni Presidente, number one. We are appreciative that, let's say, a senator or some senators, some congressmen, contractors has already been in jail. And then,
Walang congressman, meron na ba?
meron nasa, well, nasa ombudsman, I think.
Ex-congressman.
Meron nasa ombudsman. And then, di ba, I think Bonoan is still in jail, so that's a secretary and some other
Okay, but still, there are more.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. On the other side, we want something faster.
Okay.
Kumbaga, we look at it on both sides. We look at it and saying, meron na, pero hindi pa kami kontento kasi may inaantay pa kami at we are hoping that more people go to, face accountability. Not really.
Pero walang indignation tayong, before there were all these marches, wala
Yes.
na bang ganong plano?
Well, put it this way, we had a big march, yung 1 trillion peso march, and a
Kahit
lot of
paano kasi napepresyo ng gobyerno dyan.
Kasi nga, ang problema naman dyan, Ses, sa dami ng grupo natin, because we have groups from left, center, and right.
Hindi kayo magkasundo.
Hindi naman sa magkasundo. Magkasundo kami sa accountability.
Okay.
Kaso, hindi kami pareho sa gustong maabot. For example, may ibang grupo na gusto patalsikin pati o pababain ng gobyernong ito. Pero, paano naman sino naman ang papalit? Hindi naman pwede si Vice President Sara dahil meron siyang impeachment, di ba? So we cannot, anong mangyayari? Kung papababain mo si Presidente, papabain mo si VP Sara, di magkakarevolusyon tayo. May iba naman tao gusto magkaroon na yung mga military naman ang pumasok. So that is another version naman. Extra-constitutional. So ang akin lang, maganda na lahat tayo merong clamor, pero ano ba ang end natin? Kasi kung makikita na even in our group chats and our let's say
Kanya-kanyang
Facebook or Twitters and everything, makikita mo na bakit naman ang gusto natin let's say managot, lahat ng dapat managot.
Oo naman.
Oo, gusto natin 'yon. Agree tayo doon, pero hindi naman natin gusto na pababain si Marcos tas pupunta si Sara.